how to remove the ESPN app after I've added it and did all that, say that I just don't want it on my Roku TV anymore. This is how to remove an app. What's up guys, I have the On Roku TV and today I want to show you guys how to add, remove, or move an app on the On Roku TV, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the home screen first, okay? Make sure you're on the home screen. And we are going to go over on the home screen and we're going to start going down, 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 past all of these different apps if you have any apps on there. And we're going to go to add channels, okay? This is basically like add apps. So add channels is basically add apps, okay? We're going to click on that, okay. And we're going to see that we have featured, new and updated, so you can find it, the recommended top free movies and TVs. But we're going to go down to search channels because that's how you're going to find whatever app or anything you're looking for directly, as you can just search for it, okay? I'm going to search for ESPN as that's going to probably be my top app that I'm going to use. So I'm going to click in ESP, and it looks like it's already up there, so I don't even need to finish it. ESPN, okay? I'm going to click it, highlight it, bam. All right, now we're on it. It says add channel, view screenshots. Obviously, we're going to add the channel, okay? So we're going to click on that, and now it's adding ESPN. All right, and it should not take very long. Should only take 10, 20 seconds, okay? As you can see, ESPN has been added to the end of the home, okay? So we're going to go to home, and we're going to check if that ESPN app is there. Boom. All right. Okay. It's right there. It's already there. But I want to go up and show you guys how to move it up. So say that we're coming from the top, okay, at our home screen. We're going to click over again. We're going to click all the way down because our ESPN got added all the way to the bottom, okay? And, I know that I'm going to be using it. So this is how I want to show you guys how to move it, okay? So I'm going to click on my asterisk right here. Okay, asterisk, and it says all these different options. As you can see, it says move channel, okay? So we're going to click up, we're going to highlight on move channel, and that's how we're going to move it to the top, okay? So we click move channel, now we're on the ESPN app, and this is how it's going to move to the top of your apps, okay? Click it all the way up here until it gets, there's Netflix, Hulu, and we'll put ESPN right there, okay? So you go to your home again, and you can see your ESPN is all the way up at the top. All right. So how to remove the ESPN app after I've added it and did all that, say that I just don't want it on my Roku TV anymore. This is how to remove an app. We're going to go back to the home screen, and then we're going to go over, down to ESPN. We're going to do the asterisk once again. We're going to click the asterisk. That's going to give us all the options once again. As you can see, there's a remove channel option. Okay, we're just going to click the remove channel, remove. Okay, it's removing ESPN, and as you guys can see, ESPN is no longer on my Roku TV. All right, guys, so that is how to add, move, and remove channels on a Roku TV. Thank you.